All right, if I could have Charnpreet Singh, please come forward. You were back there in all the blue. I didn't see you standing back there. There you are. Sikh Awareness and Appreciation Month in the city of Yuba City is November 2015. I'd like to welcome Officer Charnpreet Singh and the Sikh Coalition Advocate, Gurmeet Mohan? Not here? Okay. To accept the proclamation on behalf of the Sikh Awareness and Appreciation Month. Sikhism is the 5th largest religion in the world today, and there are more than 23 million Sikhs worldwide, estimated at 250,000 Americans of Sikh origin. Nearly 40% of the nation's estimated Sikh population reside in California. Sikh Americans pursue diverse professions and walks of life, making rich contributions to the social, cultural, economic vibrancy of the United States, and have distinguished themselves by fostering greater respect among all people through faith and service. The city of Yuba City is committed to representing the heritage and religions of our diverse community. Now therefore be it resolved that I, John Dukes, Mayor of Yuba City, on behalf of the entire City Council, do hereby proclaim the month of November 2015 to be Sikh Awareness and Appreciation Month. Thank you. Would you like to say anything? All right, thank you.